This pool area is Devil's Kitchen. Welcome. Today we will visit Mackinac Island, which is located in Michigan, USA. They provide free shuttle service from your hotel to the Mackinac Island ferry point. There are mainly two ferry services available. One is Shepler's ferry service and another is Starline ferry service.
Hi, how are you guys? You already got your tickets?
So now we are heading towards Mackinac Island ferry. So we have to take the ferry, then we have to get it down to the Mackinac Island. We have chosen the Starline ferry service. Ferry runs every 30 minutes and it takes around 20 minutes to reach to the Mackinac Island.
Head back to Mackinaw City. We ask that you remain seated. Also today, the store at the head of the dock is having a buy one get one free special on ice cream and dipping dogs.
So we just step out from our boat. Now we can see the Mackinac Island. So there are the buggy rides. So we can have that buggy ride. Also we can have a bicycle ride. So we are going to have that bicycle ride first and then the buggy ride. So keep watching. Mackinac Island is a car free where motor vehicles are not allowed. So we can walk, we can use bicycles, or even we can use horse-drawn carriages. We can bring our own bicycle or we can even rent a bicycle in the Mackinac Island. Bicycle ride is a must-do thing in Mackinac Island. Biking 8.2 miles around Mackinac Island is the popular activity for a tourist. You can visit many attractions in the Mackinac Island State Park while biking the ride. The Arch is one of the most favorite attractions for visitors in the Mackinac Island. The one who is going to visit Mackinac Island should not miss the Arch. This is one of the beautiful trail and beautiful scenery to see. While biking 8 miles trail, you can spot many beautiful points where you can park your bike and spend some time.
Yes.
It's high, actually. It's high.
Yes.
My number. 3.149902
Devil's Kitchen is a small cave and it is one of the attractions in the Mackinac Island. So we can say this full area is Devil's Kitchen. So here Devil cooks for himself and for the family, whatever.
No, it's still more 3 miles. See that good horse. Hello.
So now here in Mackinac Island, we can see there is one public school as well. Isn't it interesting? In this such a small island, there is also public school for children. Some people live here and they can use this school. It's a nice thing. Here we can see Mackinaw Bridge view, the most beautiful view.
How many miles you completed?
So right now we have completed around 6 miles and we have to complete 2 more miles to reach our destination. So that will be one full trail. So we are about to finish the one full trail.
Hi, Bol.
Hi.
Either. How you feeling?
I'm good.
Good.
Yeah.
How many miles you completed?
Are you feeling sick of this weather?
Hey.
I hate this weather. Same. I'm feeling like very sick. And I think we have 6 miles already. And we have 2 more miles.
Mackinac Island is also famous for the fudge. Visitors can enjoy various types of fudges. Also, they can have a fudge making process too. Fort Mackinac is also one of the famous attractions to visit for tourists in the Mackinac Island. After visiting Mackinac Island, we took the ferry to go back to our hotel in the Mackinaw city. The ferry ride is awesome. We can spot the Mackinaw bridge from the ferry. Once you get down from the ferry, you can take free shuttle service which will drop you to the hotel. This was wonderful trip. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share your comments, like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.